Hey neighbor, this repair is for the Senco FinishPro 18. I'm only replacing part number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the exploded view, which is the valve assembly, spring, O-rings, and stop. I have the compressor at about 85 psi, and that is a whole chicken in the bucket in the background that I'm brining for a barbecue later on. The gun leaks air from the exhaust filter. The disassembly is straightforward. You only need 2 different size Allen wrenches. When replacing the O-rings, I inspected them and found them all to be in good repair. Everything had a nice thin layer of oil on it. The hammer has a smooth side and a grooved side. Take care not to lose that spring during disassembly. It's hard to see it, but I'm holding the guide chip with the needle nose pliers. The 2 tricky parts of this repair are first, getting the slide hammer threaded back through the metal guide chip. Make sure the groove side of the metal chip is on top so that when you insert the hammer, make sure that the grooves are facing up towards the top of the gun. The second tricky part of this repair was holding the spring in place while I replaced the top cap. This video would have been 15 minutes longer if I didn't edit out all the time I spent trying to get everything lined up and bolted down. I used 2 toothpicks as well to keep the spring in place before I located this dental tool. Nailed it. Give this video a thumbs up and check out my channel.